Hello, if you want to connect your Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus or S25 Ultra into your car, we've got actually two methods by using wired, so cable, but also wireless by using Bluetooth. So first of all, you will have to go into settings in your car, and you have to be sure that you simply turn on Bluetooth on your car and also Bluetooth visibility, and then you have to go back and search for some Wi-Fi settings and also turn on Wi-Fi connection. Right now you will have to move into your phone screen, and you have to start by opening Google Play Store, search for Android Auto, and you have to be sure that you are using the latest version of Android Auto. As you can see, in my case, I've got some kind of debug, but if you enter for it and you've got update button, then it means that you just have to download new version. Never mind, it's just not showing right now. But all we have to do right now is just to go into settings on our phone, go to connected devices, now select Android Auto, and select connect a car, and we have to go for this wireless method. After a few moments, I'm gonna also show you how we can do this with cable. Click to connect using Bluetooth, click to pair a car, and right now I'm gonna actually unpair my previous connection. We can just scan in the right upper corner and search for our device and select our car. Then you will get all of these pop-up notifications on your phone screen, but also in your car screen, and you just have to accept everything. Permission for messages, contacts, stuff like this. So keep tapping OK on everything. It will pops right here, and it will be finished. So now if I'm gonna go into the device management, as you can see here, I am connected with my S25, and when I'm gonna tap on it, I will actually force right now to connect. And here, as you can see, I can allow for other permissions. So right now, by moving to the wired connection, it's actually the easiest method. You just have to connect cable into your USB-C port on your S25. This is, by the way, an original Samsung cable that comes in the box. And then the second end of the cable, you will have to connect into USB port in your car that is actually compatible with Android Auto. And when you do this, you just have to accept this OK, that it will pops on your screen. And as you can see right now, you are just successfully connected. If you have some issues by connecting with this wired method, then open from the left upper corner this notification panel, go into Android Auto screen, into connected, and USB accessory, click here, and be sure that you select transferring files and also Android Auto. So you have to actually select this one if something is not working properly. If you find it useful, please leave a like and a comment below.